Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you new liquid glass launcher for your any Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store and search phone launcher OS style and download this launcher on your Android device. Guys, this launcher direct Play Store link available on description. Simply tap and install. After install, simply tap and open. Simply choose language. Look at these stock wallpapers also available on this launcher. Simply select one and tap on set wallpaper. First, guys, set this launcher as default launcher. After set, guys, look at this liquid glass dock, liquid glass app library, folders. Now, let me show you launcher setting. Guys, look at this setting UI complete in liquid glass. Okay, first go to General. Now simply hide app name and increase app size into 110. Now go back. Look at this. You also change app icons. Set screen grid. Look at this 4x8, 4x7, 4x6. Page transition. You also hide apps on this launcher. Look at this app library. You also change app names. Simply turn on badge notifications. Now tap on appearance. Look at this, you also set dark mode and light mode. Guys, this is complete launcher setting. Now let me show you themes. Look at these many beautiful themes available on this launcher. But guys, if you want to set liquid glass theme, then simply OS 26 category and look at these liquid glass themes available on this OS 26 category. Now simply select any one, tap on apply and look at this apply one by one icons widget background. Simply unlock these liquid glass icons and apply. Simply tap on this option. Now look at this icons apply successful. Now look at these icons apply. Now let me show you widgets. Guys, simply unlock one by one these all widgets and apply. Look at these widget apply on home screen. Look at this. Simply remove this first widget and replace this calendar widget on front of home screen. Now unlock one by one all widgets and apply. Guys, look at this. I unlock all widgets. Now look at these all widgets add on my home screen. Simply replace front of home screen. But now in last apply this wallpaper. Simply unlock. Look at this wallpaper also apply. Simply tap and go to home screen and remove old widgets and simply replace this glass widget on home screen. Now look at this guys, complete glass widgets and icons on my launcher. Guys, you also add this iOS 26 stock clock widget on your side panel. So guys, you also apply all these glass themes on your new glass launcher. So guys, you also use this new glass launcher on your any Android device. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.